I am showing you how to do the challenge. You have to click on the challenge. After that, you have to put your application number. So after submitting the application number, you have to click on this challenge. After clicking on this challenge, you will be able to see this type of list. So now I am doing the challenge for this question where I have prepared already the PDFs. I am going to upload the PDF. Now if you are doing challenge for multiple questions, then in single PDF you have to attach all like this. Like previously I did the challenge for 7 questions from one login. So that's why in one single PDF I have added all this question, because you need to add all the question together. Whatever you are doing challenge, one time only you can do one challenge. So now I am showing you only one question. So I am choosing here none of this. Now I have to upload the file. Here at the time of choosing file, if you are doing multiple, then please add all the correct supportive document in one file. So I am choosing the file. So I choose the file. Now I have to go to proceed. And I have to put the captcha. Now you can see data saved successfully. So if I am calling here, you can see that it is showing. You can check that download document because the document is correct or not. And then you have to do final submit. From here you have to click on final submit. So you can see that, and now you have to click on pay now. After clicking on pay now, you will be able to see these two options. Never go for SBI ePay because it is creating lots of problem. Rather than that, go for HDFC. It is better. So you will get this type of window. Now do the payment and complete your process. Do it now. Time is not there. Last moment there will be definitely lots of issues. So do it now.